Hello guys, this is your friend Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you to our channel. So friends, in today's video we'll discuss how to create the representation of a door in AutoCAD. So let's get started. So friends, as you can see here we have a building plan which we need to create the representation of a door here. So first, to start with, we'll select a rectangle and click anywhere, and then we'll create a small rectangle having a width of 2 inches, comma, and length will be, let us give it 3 inches. So we have created this block, and now we'll just select it and copy this block. We'll just select this point and then copy it here, and after that we'll select this. We'll make sure that your all OSNAPs are turned on. So if your OSNAP settings are not selected, then make sure that all OSNAP settings are turned on. You can select this using the select all option. So if all OSNAP settings are turned on, so we can just select this and then specify a base point for copying. Let us say take this, and then we'll take the extension and then join it. So we are done here using the small rectangles. Now you need to create a door here. We'll take another rectangle. This time we'll take a thickness of 1 inches, comma, let us give it a length of 2 feet. So we have created a rectangular door here. Now we can just move this from here to here. So the door will open like this. Delete this. So the door will open like this. Now we can give a curve representing the opening. We'll go to arc and select 3 point. We'll turn off the ortho and then one click here, another click, let's say here, and another click here. So after that we can change this. We'll keep it around 67. It's good. So we have created the door. Now if we want to give text, we can also do that. You can select this multi-line text. Let us create a box here, and then we'll just type D, which represents the door here. So this is the representation for a door in AutoCAD. So friends, how did you find this video? Was this video helpful? Please comment below, and if you have suggestions on videos related to any other topic of civil engineering, please comment below, because through your comments only we get to know how are you finding our videos and which topics you are interested in. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.